Hi. Let's try connecting the sounds of the letters today. First, let's review. Letters and sounds. H, V,
V, V,
B, K, U, G.
G, G.
Blending sounds.
U, G, U, G, UG, UG, UG. U, B, B, UB, UB, UB. U, K, UK, 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 UK. U, V, V, av, av, av. H, U, H, 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 H. B, U, B, A, ba, ba, ba. K, U, K, A, K, K, K. G, U, G, A, G, G, G. V, U, V, A, va, va, va.
Let's review. What is the sound of UK? Answer.
UK.
What is the sound of GU? Answer.
G.
What is the sound of UB? Answer.
Ab.
What is the sound of UV? Answer.
Av.
What is the sound of BU? Answer.
Ba.
What is the sound of UG? Answer.
Ug.
What is the sound of HU? Answer.
H.
What is the sound of VU? Answer.
V.
What is the sound of KU? Answer.
K.
Good job. Bye.